Okay, this is our bad friend, aka trauma friend, aka child with bad advice. So what does your trauma tell you?
Well, Karen, you know, it's very important to never, ever, ever trust a man.
Yeah, absolutely, I agree, because all men are really dangerous.
Well, it's more when you want something from them, because then you sort of are a bit vulnerable. And, and if you
you don't want to go there, do you?
No, if you ask something of them, then they will just cross your boundaries or say hateful things.
All right, we could keep going, but what would you now swap sides? So what would you like to say to this part of you giving you this perhaps once helpful and now maybe not helpful advice? Yeah, so now we're swapping roles. So this person's advised you, thank you for your advice, thank you for your opinion,
So, thank you so much for your opinion, but if you really want to be loved, you sort of have to be open. And so your advice is really shit.
But thank you.
It's not helping me or helping anybody. So listening to this advice will just shrink the world.
A little bit more gratitude as well.
But I know you want to keep me safe.
There we go.
And I really love you for that. But basically, your work is done.
Oh, thank you very much. Round of applause.